Hey, hi. I'm building Vidit AI, a tool that helps businesses rank on ChatGPT. It requires heavy real-time processing, but I didn't want to manage complex servers. Okay, watch what happens when I run a scan. The front end sends a request. Try to Supabase Edge Functions. It crawls the site, scores is using my proprietary algorithm, and instantly save my results into my Postgres database here. I'm also using Supabase Auth to manage user sections and RLS to secure this data. And just like that, the user gets a full report. Supabase handle the compute and the auth and the database. Allow me to ship this MVP in record time. The actual hero here is Superbase Edge Functions. So, usually building a query like these requires setting a heavy servers. But with Superbase, I just deployed my logic into the edge and it handled the heavy lifting and fetching the URL, analyzing the code, and generating the score. And the best part, it talks directly to my Superbase database. As soon as the scan finishes, the data is logged in Postgres and visible on the user's dashboard. No middleware, no service managed, just pure code. And this makes you the looks like a smartest architect who chose the best tool for the job. Thank you, Superbase.